Da ha ha! What's up, baby? It's Nicotine, and I'm back for round 2 of the 2020 Frat Draft. Let's get it going. With the first pick of round 2 of the 2020 Frat Draft, Theta Chi at the University of Texas selects Logan Williams.
Yeah! What up, baby? Ooh, what's up, Nick? Shot! Yeah!
So Logan clocks in with an unreal 2.1 second shotty time, a beer pong record of 121 and 34. He has slammed 7 Tinder chicks in one night, and he loves to watch The Bachelor. Now with the second pick of round 2 of the 2020 Frat Draft, the Tapakega Eridea chapter at LSU selects Ryan Jones. Whew. What's going on, buddy?
I'm in a frat.
Yeah, we're aware. Now Ryan was a projected first round pick, but unfortunately shot himself at a darty while wearing white pants, and his stock fell big time. He has an insane beer die record of 196 and 2, but the shit incident left a huge stain on his resume. Ha! Sick! With the third pick of round 2 of the 2020 Frat Draft, Alpha Sig at UCLA selects Chase Porter.
Oh, yo, what's up, Nick?
What's up, buddy? Alright, that's enough, Chase. That's enough. My man Chase has a 4 drunk dart average, has lost 7 fake IDs in the last year, and 3 out of the 4 walls in his room are covered in beer boxes. Now with the last pick of round 2 of the 2020 Frat Draft, the Delta Kappa Epsilon chapter at Michigan State selects Carter Jackson. What's up, man? How's it going? Now, as you can tell, my man Carter averages a 420 at darties, and for you youngins out there, that means 4 day kills and 20 makeouts. Oh, what a stud. Alright, you raging alcoholics, that'll do it for round 2 of the Frat Draft. We'll catch you next time. Ha 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 ha.